Welcome. In front of me I have True Wireless Earphones 2, and I'm going to show you how we can pair them with the iPhone. So at the first we have to go for the settings on our iPhone, enter the Bluetooth, and of course we have to activate it. After that we have to grab the case and rotate it a little bit and tap on this button, and we have to keep and hold it. So click, hold, and right now just open the charging case and of course keep holding the button. And now, right now you can release and just tap on this True Wireless Earphones 2 to connect them to our iPhone. And as you can see right now, earphones are connected, and you can just, for example, disconnect or just forget the device. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.